Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include leather seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and universal remote.